Just get the Island Delights. It came in a priority package. Came pretty quick. Even though the COVID-19 thing going on, came pretty quick. I got unbox it, is it? This is my first time having the Island Delights. I get my favorite, which is Grater cake. And individually wrapped, so that keep the freshness, I guess. Yo, YaadFood, America. Maybe not with this like, but it's bad. It's bad. I'm pretty sorry right now. Again. I think 6. I'm gonna just get